In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in a Canva website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a video from a platform like YouTube straight into your Canva webpage so it looks clean, plays smoothly, and fits your design. Start by opening your browser and heading to canva.com. Once you're in, open your website design. This should be the Canva website project you're already working on. Give it a moment to load so all your elements appear on the canvas. If you have multiple pages in your site, make sure you're on the page where you want the video to live before you continue. Look to the left sidebar and click Apps. This is Canva's hub for connecting outside content and tools to your design. In the Apps panel, use the search bar at the top and type Embed. You're looking for the Embed app by Canva. When you see it, click it, then click Open. The Embed app is what allows a web link, like a YouTube URL, to display directly inside your design as a playable element. Now, copy the video link you want to use. For example, if your video is on YouTube, copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Make sure the video is available to watch and set to allow embedding, since some links can be restricted. Return to Canva and paste that link into the field that says Paste Web Link here. You may see a quick preview which just confirms Canva recognizes the link. Click Add to Design. Canva will place the video onto your page as a new element. It behaves like any other object on the canvas, so you can move and resize it freely. To adjust the size, drag any of the corner handles outward to make it larger or inward to make it smaller. Corners help maintain the video's proportions so it doesn't look stretched. If you want to reposition it, click and drag the video to where it fits best on your layout. Watch for the smart guides to help you align the video with text boxes, images, or margins so everything looks neat and balanced. From here, continue editing the rest of your project. You can fine-tune spacing, adjust surrounding text or images, and make sure the video complements your overall design. Canva saves your changes as you go, so you can confidently build out the rest of the page. That's all it takes to embed a video in your Canva website quickly and cleanly.